Are you still buying powder milk? So sweetie, not anymore, when you can make your powder milk at home with just one ingredient. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time coming across the channel. You are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. I'm my returning subscriber. You know, say I love una so much. So my people, today I'm super excited to be sharing with you one of the best way you can make your powder milk at home. This time around, you don't need to buy powder milk anymore when you can make your powder milk at home with just one ingredient. Let's dive into this video. As I said before guys, we are making use of just one ingredient on this recipe, which is liquid milk. So sweetie, I know it may sound like, how can I use liquid milk to get powder milk? It's very simple when you follow this process. You can use your liquid milk to make your powder milk. Over here I have my cooking pot, so I will turn in all the milk inside the cooking pot. And for the milk I'm using, I'm making use of cow milk. You can always make use of any milk of your choice. So where am I saying this? I always receive message, Lady B, what kind of milk are you making use of? So I make use of cow milk on my recipe mostly. And this is the same milk I'm making use of on this recipe. So guys, now I have turned on my heat. I will be cooking this milk with a medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. All the way guys, I have to stir. I don't need to go far, I don't need to go anywhere, though I'm using a big pot making this milk, because if you turn to boil, if it's a little pot like small pot, the milk will pour out. So I don't really want anything to waste, so that's why I'm using a bigger pot. So I will just be stirring all the way until the milk will turn to boil. So guys, now it has turned to boil. I will keep on stirring. So the more you stir, the more the milk becomes thicker. Now you can see it's no longer showing liquid, but it's now showing thick. So at this point it has not ready, and I will still be stirring. So the more you stir guys, the more clean milk you will have. If you do not stir, the milk may burn, and if you burn, you will not have a good outcome. After now, I'm going to turn off my heat. So at this point it's ready. You can make yours to be more thicker than this, but for me I prefer my own to be, I think you get more easy dry than thicker one, because I have this video 1 year ago on my channel. We still drop the link. That one is more thicker and it take me a long time to dry it up, but this one, it does not take me a long time. So I'm going to transfer everything inside this white tray. So I'm using this tray to sun my milk. This process is another process if you have your hydrator. So for me, I don't have hydrator, that's why I'm making use of sun. So you can see guys, we don't have hydrator yet, so if you are watching our video, don't skip our heart so that YouTube will pay us so that you see money to buy hydrator, because I have a lot of powder recipe to share with you guys. It's ginger powder, garlic powder, many recipe that you can just easily make at home. So I really need hydrator guys, but now I don't have it, and if you offer us one, it's very good for us guys. We really appreciate you. So if you can just give it to us, we are really going to appreciate you guys. So after doing that, I will spread everything inside this tray. After now, I'm going to drop it under the sun, then I will be visiting it after 3 hours to check how it's doing, then use my hand to spread it. So that's what I will just do until it will get dried.
Check it out.
After 3 hours, I come to check on it. So this is how it look. I will just spread it like this. You can see the thing has becoming dry little by little like this. So I will just take it back under the sun after this process. So I'll just use my hand to make sure that I'm scattering. Point guys, it has come to dry. So at this point it's ready. I just come outside. This is where I'm sunning it, so I just come to check if it's ready. So yes, it's ready. I'm going to take it out and bring it inside the kitchen. So yes guys, this is the milk and this is how it look. At this point is dry. Just take a good look at that. Everything is dry at this point. So this is 6 o'clock in the evening. So after how many hours? I think it take me like about 6 to 7 hours. So now I have my blender. I'm going to transfer everything inside the blender. My blender is just so funny. I first of all pour everything inside the blender, but it happened that the thing is not going well, so I have to take it out, then put it little by little. So that's how I grind it. But first of all, I just pour everything, but it did not work. I'll keep on blending like this until it's ready. Now I'm done blending. So at this point the milk is ready, so it's smooth at this point. So I'll just off the blender. So here I have a bigger bowl and a streamer. Then I will turn all the milk inside the streamer, then I will be streaming it. So rest of the milk I have already blended it off camera. So all I will do now is just to stream everything out. Now everything has been streamed. I'm having a little bit of the blended ones inside, so I will take it back to the blender, then blend it. I'll just keep it aside for now. So this is the milk we have, guys. This milk is just so much, like it's so big. This one really take me a long while because I have a little babies that I'm still giving food, so this milk is really going to do a good job in their body. And that is why I have to be making your powder milk at home, because this can be helping you if you have a little ones that you feed with milk, so it can really help you a lot. So that is what I do. I make my powder milk at home each time I really need milk. For me to know the quantity of the powder milk I have to transfer all of it inside this medium bowl. So I will keep on this process until everything is being transferred. So guys, look at your powder milk now. So take a good look at this. So did you know how many pack of milk you will buy to achieve this? Making this powder milk, I make use of 5 packs of liquid milk, and this that I'm saying here is just too much for that amount, because after making your powder milk it will be more bigger than when it's liquid. So that is the reason why you really have to be making yours at home. See how big and this look, and see how lovely looking and healthy milk you just have here. So that is it, my people. This is what I do, and it really helped me a lot. You can use this milk to eat whatever thing you think you can eat with milk, whatever thing. Both your kids, both you, all of you can make use of this powder milk. So that is the video I bring for you, my people. This is not my first time making this video. I have it on my channel 1 year ago, and I don't know if it's all of you that see that video, and I really know how engaged that video went, both my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. People really like it, and I still think of it, let me still bring it back this time around. If you know you have not watched it, then now you can watch it again, and this time I think it's more easier and more understandable for you to give a try if you haven't tried. So I transfer everything inside this jar, then I cover, and here is where I will be saving mine, so for future use. You know, milk, you don't just use it that moment, because it's a future use something. So that is all, my people. I know you love this video. I will not ask if you love. If you really do, please, this is the right time for you to share this video. And if you have been watching my video, you are considering should I subscribe or not, please, this is the right time for you to subscribe to my channel. I need your subscribe, I need your share, I need your love. Please share and like. I would love to see you all in our next video. So guys, let me know, did you like this my haircut? So if you do, let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.